This is Simplicities 9099. The original has a knit top with a gathered skirt. You can have a bow on it. It's, of course, as you can tell, knee length, but the dress I made is not. I hacked it. I actually took and added the ties. The ties were added, wasn't included. The back of the dress, I actually put a zipper in it. It was not supposed to have a zipper. It's supposed to be elastic, or it's supposed to be a knit top. So I actually took and added a zipper in it. And I actually lengthened the dress. So originally it was going to stop here. And I added this additional piece to give it length. What would I change about it? What would I change? One, I definitely would not use this Ankara material. It is more of a wax cotton. It is really stiff. I actually did wash it, or at least wet it. Maybe after it's actually washed with detergent, it won't be so heavy. I don't like that. The other thing I did do, hold on, I reduced the size of the bodice. I lined the bodice because I didn't want to worry about the finishing on the inside. I use fabric binding to bind the armholes. And you can hear my grandbaby. What else did I change? I think that's all I can think I changed right offhand. But for the most part, I think it's a beautiful dress. It's going to be great as a flower girl dress. So again, I used Simplicities 8099. And where is... So these are the patterns that I actually just traced out. It was a size 6. And as you can tell, the original width is this wide. The only other thing I would do to use this pattern, because I wasn't going to buy a pattern, is to actually put darts in it. Put like a 1/2 inch dart in the bodice area on both sides. I did reduce it by basically a whole inch by taking this out, because this is where the original was, and I actually backed it up to here so that I didn't have a real wide neckline. The other thing I did the same for the back. Well, I didn't do the same for the back. I actually extended it 1/2 inch in the back. Now, as you can tell, I did take it in a lot in the very back because I knew I wanted it closer to here, but I would rather have excess than too little. And that's easier to fix. Shifting the zipper is always easier to fix. So those are the things I would change. I think it's a really cute dress for a little girl, and it worked. Less than 10 pieces.